Do you need to go to the bank today?
Yes, I do. I need to deposit some checks and withdraw some cash.
Okay, do you know which branch you're going to?
Yes, I'm going to the one on Main Street. It's closest to my office.
That makes sense. Do you know what time they open?
I think they open at 9 a.m. I want to get there early so I can get my banking done before work.
Good idea. Do you know what you need to bring with you?
Yes, I have my ID and my account information. I also have the checks I need to deposit.
Sounds like you're all set. Do you have any other errands to run today?
No, just the bank for now. After that, I'll head to work.
All right, well, good luck with your banking. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I'll let you know how it goes.